The Tecno Camon 40, launched in March 2025, is a smartphone that combines advanced features with robust performance. Here's a detailed overview: display, size and type, 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED capacitive touchscreen. Resolution, 1080 by 2436 pixels, approximately 390 pixels per inch density. Refresh rate, 120 Hz, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness. Processor chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 7300 CPU, octa-core 2.5 GHz GPU, ARM Mali G 615, memory RAM 8 GB, expandable by an additional 8 GB using extended RAM technology. Internal storage 256 GB, providing ample space for apps, photos, and videos. Cameras, rear camera 50 megapixel main sensor with optical image stabilization OIS, and a large 1 by 1.56-inch sensor size, enhancing low light performance 8 megapixel wide-angle lens, ideal for capturing expansive scenes and group photos. 2 megapixel additional sensor, contributing to depth and detail in images. LED flash for improved illumination in various lighting conditions. Front camera 32 megapixel sensor, ensuring high-quality selfies and clear video calls. Battery capacity 5,500 mAh, offering extended usage times. Charging supports 45-watt fast charging, significantly reducing charging time. Operating system Android 15, providing the latest features and security updates. Design and build dimensions. Measures 164.16 by 74.64 by 7.34 millimeters. Weight 195 grams, offering a substantial feel without being overly heavy. SIM, dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, allowing for flexible connectivity options. Connectivity supports 2G, 3G, 4G, and 5G networks, ensuring fast and reliable internet connectivity. Wi-Fi 802.11 ABG, NAC-dual band, Bluetooth V5.4, GPS with AGPS support, FM radio, USB Type-C 2.0, OTG, NFC, and infrared port for versatile connectivity options.